Boom! Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I will be replacing the O-ring on the fuel pump, also known as the unit pump, on a 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13 EPA 17. Stay tuned. So, in case you're wondering why I'm attempting to replace the O-ring on my unit pump, if you can look in here, I don't know if you can see it properly, that unit pump right there, it is on the driver's side, beside the fuel filter. It is leaking, as you can see. I know that there's nothing wrong with the unit pump because those were replaced recently, but I suspected due to me replacing it on the road, or maybe they just have gone bad. So that is the reason why I am replacing the unit pump. And in case you guys are doing the same thing, these are the O-ring. I haven't done any research or anything. I just went to my local dealer, gave him my VIN number, and these are the O-ring he gave me. As you can see, it's 2 set, so I bought an extra set because there's 2 unit pump, and sometimes when one go bad, the next one go bad. So yeah, that is the reason why. So first thing I'm going to do is remove 2 electrical connector. One is on the unit pump and there's another one. This one on the back, all you have to do is screw it, and this one is a clip. So yeah, that is the first thing that I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so as you can see right there, I got both the harnesses off and I push them to the side. Next, I'm going to remove this line, this fuel line. It attaches to the unit pump and the fuel rail. Uses a 19. Now that's off. I'm going to remove the unit pump now. It uses 213 mil, so yeah. So here it is, guys. The unit pump is out, and these are the three O-rings. And I don't know, for some reason these thing always rusted, so that's a problem I run into. As you can look at this fuel line, it's all rusted. So what I just did, I went to the dealer and I got a replacement. So in case yours is rusted, this is the part number, and I paid $215. So on the other unit pump, I had replaced this one, but I had to use the old one, which was this guy. So now I'm going ahead and replace it. So I'm just gonna replace these O-rings and then reinstall the unit pump. And that's it, guys. So now I'm going to reinstall um, this unit pump. So as you can see guys, I had the truck running so that fuel goes through the unit pump, and it has been over a week since I replaced the seal or the o-ring, and as you can see it is dry again. So I'm gonna call that one fixed in my books. So that repair was successful, and this is the end of the video. So if you guys have found anything valuable or useful from this video, leave a comment, tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace. I'm out.